Welcome in to AMQ episode number 6, a brand new series by Adrian Hart answering your affiliate marketing questions. So what's in episode 6? Well, episode 6 will be part of the AMQ affiliate marketing question series. And the question for today is one I've seen very recently go around, and it's, I don't have time. So you don't have time to get started. People don't have time. They don't feel like they have the extra time in their days to get started with affiliate marketing. So this is the question we're going to go through today and kind of cover it in depth. So again, episode 6 is going to be all about I don't have time. So in AMQ's episode number 6, today's episode's question is, I don't have time. Today in episode 6, I cover a question I get when people are looking to get started with affiliate marketing and they're already in their busy 9-to-5 job, busy with their life, but they're looking for a way out. They're looking for that. There has to be something for me to get out of this routine and this cycle I'm stuck in that will not let me get out there and live free and enjoy life on my own terms. So for those of you wanting to get started with affiliate marketing and feel like you just don't have time, this episode is going to be for you, as we're going to go through how you can go about getting started with affiliate marketing, some very overview strategies that you can use to get started with Facebook affiliate marketing. So with limited time, as an experienced affiliate marketer, I understand the challenges of starting and growing an online business, especially when you only have a limited amount of time to dedicate to it each day. However, with the right strategies and a clear understanding of your ideal audience, you can still achieve great results, even with just 2 to 4 hours of daily work. But let me say something one more time for you guys. With a clear understanding of your ideal audience, you can still achieve great results. So that is key when you have a limited amount of time to dedicate towards affiliate marketing each day. So with a clear understanding, one of the most important things to keep in mind when building an online business is to always start with a clear understanding of your ideal audience. This is key. This means identifying who your target customer is, what their pain points and needs are, and how your business can help to solve those problems. Once you have a clear understanding of your ideal audience, you can then focus on building relationships with key individuals within that audience. Building relationships. One effective strategy for building relationships is to select 10 or less new or existing people in your list to interact with on their newsfeed, content, or stories and reels. This could include liking, commenting, or sharing their content, or even reaching out to them in a direct message. Now, when you're commenting, make sure it is not just your run-of-the-mill, happy Monday, you got this. Take some time to actually read their content and write an engaging, responsive reply to their content. This will definitely help when building relationships. By building these connections and nurturing these relationships, you can increase your visibility and credibility within your target audience. This will also drive them to know, like, and trust you. And those 3 things, the know, like, and trust, are vital to getting sales within your affiliate marketing business on Facebook. The more your audience knows you, likes you, and trusts you, the more you'll be able to have building relationships last longer and turn those relationships into sales. Targeted content. Another important aspect of building an online business is to create targeted content that speaks directly to your ideal audience. This means understanding their pain points and crafting content that addresses those issues and provides valuable insights or solutions to their pain points, helping them move from their pain points through to their pleasure points. This is key. By consistently creating and sharing this type of content, you can establish yourself as an authority within your niche and build trust with your target audience. So again, your targeted content is a huge part of your strategy for Facebook. You want to make sure that you're speaking directly to your ideal audience. You want to make sure that you're understanding their pain points and creating content that'll take them from their pain points to their pleasure points. This is the type of content that will establish you as someone that they know, like, and trust. Again, the know, like, and trust is here because it is very, very vital and important to getting sales. If your audience doesn't know who you are, they're not going to be able to like anything you put up, and they're not going to be able to trust you because you're not putting any content out. So again, you want to make sure you're making high value targeted content that speaks directly to your ideal audience and their pain points and then moves them through to their pleasure points. This will build up your know, like, and trust within your targeted audience. Review and refine. These are very critical for your Facebook affiliate marketing strategy. As you continue to grow your online business, it's also crucial to review and refine your strategies. This means analyzing what's working and what's not, and being open to trying new approaches or frameworks. Don't get locked into thinking that you have one strategy to follow and it is the be-all, end-all of all strategies and will get you to your end result. The main goal when running your affiliate online business for marketing is going to be constant review and refine. You're going to have to be out there testing things. Things are not going to work. You're going to fail completely. Face first, flat in the mud with something that you put out, and you're going to learn from that. That's what the most successful affiliate marketers do, is they implement imperfect action always and learn from the mistakes and improve upon the ones that were not mistakes and were a big success. So that's definitely part of this. Review and refine. By testing different strategies, you can continue to improve your results and ensure that your efforts are focused on the most effective tactics. So always, always, always review and refine. As you continue to grow your online business, it's also crucial to review and refine your strategies. This means analyzing what's working and what's not, and being open to trying new approaches or frameworks. By testing different strategies, you continue to improve your results and ensure that your efforts are focused on the most effective tactics. Remember, this is something I love to say. I've said it in my Facebook posts all the time. You need to be failing forward. Do not be afraid to take that step forward, to implement something, to try a strategy, and if it doesn't work out, have a look back on what didn't work during that strategy. Maybe part of it worked. Maybe one part of it didn't work. Maybe the rest of it did. These are things you definitely want to be thinking about, and it's something that I do a lot in my business, is take a step back, have a look at the entire process, break it down to see what is working, what is not working, and change and implement new ideas, strategies, and tactics where I see I might need some new ones. And if those don't work out, that's okay. Lesson learned, and I move on. So always, always, always remember to review and refine. Now, AMQ Episode 6, let's recap. In conclusion, building an online business with only 2 to 4 hours of daily time can be challenging, but by focusing on key strategies, you can still achieve great results. Start with a clear understanding of your ideal audience. Build relationships with key individuals within that audience. Create targeted high-value content and review and refine your strategies as you go. By following these steps and being efficient with your time, you can build a successful online business as a Facebook affiliate marketer that aligns with your lifestyle and goals. So remember, we are constantly going to be evolving. We're going to be reviewing. We're going to be refining. We're constantly going to be testing strategies and learning from the mistakes that we make. But believe me, with a limited amount of time every single day, you can build up your affiliate marketing business online on Facebook with very specific targeted strategies that you need to be efficient with during your limited time daily, but it can be done. So episode 6 of AMQ, the recap. Building an online business with only 2 to 4 hours of daily time can be challenging, but focus on key strategies, you can achieve great results. Clear understanding of your ideal audience, Build relationships within that audience, create targeted high-value content, and be constantly reviewing and refining your strategies as you go. By following these steps, being efficient with your time, you can build a successful online Facebook affiliate marketing business. Have yourselves an awesome day, and I look forward to seeing you next week for episode 7 of AMQ. Now down below in the description, if you're looking to get started, the links down below, one of them is there for you guys to join up and get further emails down the road from me, providing high value, quality content for you to get started and get going with your affiliate Facebook marketing business. So check the links down below. If you haven't been subscribed, make sure you smash a like on the video and subscribe for more AMQ series to follow. We'll see you guys next week for AMQ episode number 7.